Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, pretty much what we're doing is just we're going to do the installations on the accessories that was sent over from Yeslak. And as you can see, my inside of my vehicle is protected. You know, this was sent out from I believe it's last fit, and also over here too, and over here. However, on the back of my vehicle, this part here, it's not protected, right? So this company, Yeslak, asked if I want to do the review and the installations and show you guys to see how it will look and see how it will protect the car. Okay, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do the installations, and we're gonna, so this is what it looks like. It has a Velcro in here. This is gonna go from here like this. Okay, so it's gonna be like that after I put this piece down. And this long piece here, it has like tape on the bottom. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up, and then, you know, before I can put this over, and then I'll pull over this little what do you call it, like the seal strip, and just make sure it's go on top of it, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. So after you dry clean this, make sure it's dry, just remove the tape. All right, once you have that, just line it up. I just push it all the way in the center, and then go out from there. As you go, you just pull up the weather strip, so that way it's tucked underneath it. All right, so once you do everything, that's how it looks like. You just tuck it underneath the seal, the water seal, like that, and as you can see, there we go. So now you're not afraid of, you know, for this piece to get scratched. Look at on this side. There you go. Tucks right in. It blends in, just like original OEM. And let's see if we can close the trunk. Perfect. No issue. Nice. Protected. All right, so I just removed the old hubcap, the wheel covers, and now I'm gonna put on the Yeslak wheel cover so you guys can see it. So I get asked a lot about the brake covers, and as you can see, it's snug like crazy. And if you watch my video, those are the letters that I installed on this car, and it's about 17,000 miles, and it sits snug. You know, people were afraid that it's gonna fall off, but check it out. Look how nice it is, right? To install this, just line up with the valve stem, and you're good to go. As good as new. All right, what do you guys think? Looks badass, huh? You like it, huh? Beautiful, really nice. I love it. All right, so here's the rear wheel, and this is the brake cover. As you can see, it sits nugs really tight. Really nice. So we're gonna put on the rear cover, the rear wheels. See how it looks like. Just snaps right in. Easy beasy. So this one. Nice. So, what do you guys think? Somehow, to me, it looks like a Model X wheels. I don't know. And do you guys prefer this over the original ones? What do you guys think? Let's take a step back so you can take a look at it. This one, it shows the brake calipers covers a lot more than the previous one that I have on. So, but overall, I really like it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the installation. As you can see, well, let's get a little bit closer so you can see the wheel, right? So, so far, just from looking at the wheel covers, I really like it. You know, like I said, it looks like it's like a Model X style. Let me know what you think, because that's how I see it. And the installation was fairly easy. And the cover itself, it's actually really nice too. And it comes in like really nice packaging as well too. Individual package, wrap, bubble wraps and everything. So everything, it looks really good. It looks really nice. So to have this, there's a wheels cover, it actually protects your your wheels, your rims, because I don't know, for some reason I try to be cautious, to be really careful as much, but on and off I will curb, I will make like a little curb against the wheel and against the curb. So with this, really nice, it covers up and everything. Love it. I'll list all the information in the description, so just in case if you guys are interested purchasing one yourself. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time. All right, guys. So this is the Yeslak website. As you can see, they do sell a lot of Tesla accessories. So here, if you just spin this, and then you get percentage on your first purchase. And as you can see here, depending on what Tesla model you have, you can just pick whichever. So let's assume that let's say that since I have the Model Y, we're gonna go with the Model Y. Click on the Model Y, and they do have a lot of accessories. Look at the Uber turbine wheel covers. You got the plug for to jug up your car whenever you do a tire rotations or just any kind of maintenance. Then do you have like the brake pedals, 3 different type of colors, right? And they do have a lot, guys. So if you're looking for accessory aftermarket for your Tesla, you can go to this website, check them out, see what you like. All right, guys.